All right. Is this one finally working? All right. Hopefully this one works a lot better. There you go. I'm gonna wait just like a minute or two. So, yeah. Should try to find a good camera angle too. Something like this would work because if I'm holding it too low, you can still kind of see. I'll try to hold it though without duration. Maybe I'll go a little lower. All right, we'll wait for this thing to be going for about a minute and a half or so. Just let some people join. All right. Alrighty. It's like that neck crack. Hopefully that wasn't too loud. Sorry about that. Let's go. Make sure to close my door too, because I don't want someone. Hold on. Someone was chatting. Can't see very well. No, I don't want to learn about. Uh, Currently, someone chatted, but I can't see it, so we're gonna. All right, it's been about 2 minutes, so I'm gonna explain what we're gonna be doing here. So I'm gonna be solving some Square-1 because there's a couple competitions I want to go to. I'm thinking about it. One of them is Minnesota Championships. I might be at that one, maybe. So yeah, I want to, you know, get good at Square-1 because it's one of those cues. And I literally just learned how to solve it less than a week ago. So my phone won't let me join my live stream, so I won't be able to see things very well. Anyways, yeah, so I'm gonna be doing a bunch of Square-1 solves for maybe about an hour, and then we'll see how much I've improved. So here, I'll pull up on my thing, Square-1. Here, as you can't really see. I'll make it bigger for y'all. You still can't really see. I zoom in even more. Here. All right. My best single is 1 minute 40 seconds. My best average of five is 1 minute 53. Here, hold my cursor here. And my average of 12, 2:33. So we're gonna try and do better than that. If that's possible. I bet I could maybe beat the single and average. Definitely the average of 12. I think I could beat fairly easily because my times used to be bad, but now they're better. So yeah, we're gonna see if we can beat the average. Uh, all right, so I got my microphone here just so you can hear me. I got my Square-1, and I'm gonna be using the space bar. You can't really see it, but it's off to the side here. I'm gonna be using that to accurately do that. So you can't see the scramble on the top, but you'll be able to see the shape that my cube is gonna be in. So let's start with the first solve of the day. 3/4 0 -3 -5 slash -3/3 -4 slash -3 -3 slash -5 0 slash -2 slash 4 -4 slash 20 slash 0 -3 slash. All right, my scramble matches up pretty good, so let's start the inspection. Oops. All right. That didn't solve anything. Made scallop shield. I have no clue how to do this very well at all. I'm literally guessing. Let's try this. Oh, I think we got it. Maybe. Maybe. That's a solid maybe. There we go. I haven't solved Square-1 in a while, so hopefully I don't mess things up too bad for myself. Okay, this is non-optimal, but we're gonna deal with it. How we put that in the back? Sure. These first ones are definitely gonna be warm-ups because I need them to be warm-ups, I guess. I don't know. All right, so we gotta go. Then we got parody, which is awesome. I believe for parody, you hold it. Yeah, yeah. All right, 224. That wasn't that good, but it's my first Square-1 solve in like 2 days. So yeah. Fun fact: parity was the very first Square-1 algorithm that I learned, that I memorized. Like I used Ting Man's tutorial to solve it. This was the first algorithm that I'd ever memorized, which I think is funny because it's definitely the worst one. I still can't join my own live stream. That's so weird. Weird. All right, well, let's just do another scramble. 2345 slash 6/1 2 3 4 1 slash 0 -3 slash -1 -4 -2 3 0 slash -3 -5 slash -4 0 slash -5 -2 slash 0 -4 -4 -5. No slash. So, yep, that looks like it matches up too. Let's go. I wonder if I should do edges or corners first. I only need to put one more corner in there, but I think we should go for edges. Crap, crippity crap. Oh, I hate it when this happens. This is going to take a little bit to fix. Or at least I know how to do this. And we got two freaking things to fix. Flip over at the chat for a second for no reason. So we gotta do parity. 240. That was worse than my last one. All right. Well, back to the grind, I guess. 1, 0, -1, 2, 3. Wait, no. Okay, so yeah, 1, 0 slash -1. Actually, I did -5 on accident. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 slash 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, -3, -3 slash -3, 0 slash -1, -5, 4, 0 slash -2, -4. All right, so I might have taken a peep at the scramble before this, but it's like this one's so good for literally no reason. I do. Like this is already cube shaped, and it's been what? No time at all. We're actually shaking a little bit. That's not really that good, but this is not the best thing ever. But we gonna roll with it because I feel like it. So if I solve these two, forgot to do this one. Oh, it's on the wrong side. I might be able to get a thing. It's the best one so far, but didn't get new PB. It was so close, but I froze up during the edge permutation. It was a good scramble too. Cube shape took like 3 moves. Just kidding. It's a bit more than 3 moves, but you all know what I'm saying. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. -3 slash -3, 0 slash 1, 2, 3, 4. -2 slash -3, 0 slash 0, -3, 2, 0, 3, 3, 5. Right, there's that one done. Good, done, and dusted. All right. Cube shape is definitely the thing that takes me the most amount of time. Sometimes. I did literally nothing. Here we go. This is like not how I normally do it, but I'm going with it. I just feel like it. Okay, we got these. Wrong one. Yeah. What we got on this side? Needs to be easy. Okay, we got no way. Crap, I messed something up. I don't know what I did wrong, but I don't want to mess up the entire cube just to figure it out. Wait, did I figure it out? Okay, I fixed it. Thank God. Unfortunately, I wasted like way too much time on that. Back. All right, we get back up again though. 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, -5 / -3, -2 / 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 0 / -1, 0 / -2. We're gonna do this way. Untight scallop. It's actually stupid. Oh, here we go. We were in this situation last time too. Alright, scallop, scallop. Shield. Whatever the shape is with that. Please be a good case. This was not a good case. Just gonna go. It's luck. It looks like we got some kind of thing. We're just gonna. Yeah, we got like some kind of parody here. I'm just gonna. Uh, um, no! It's a DNF. Sucks. Buns. I didn't pay attention to it. I looked at the green side and I was like, yo, I'm done. It turns out I wasn't. It's actually just tragic. Alright. But we bounce back. That's what we do. Negative 3, 3, 3, slash, negative 2, slash, negative 3, 0, slash, negative 3, 0, slash, negative 1, 0, negative 1, slash, negative 3, negative 3, negative 3, negative 2, slash, 0, negative 2, 6, 2, 3, 4. No slash this time. Alright. I already hate this scramble. It's actually buns. Oh, I just tried turning it. Actually stupid. Alright. It's one of the fastest cube shapes I've ever made. Please be easy. Yo, wait, there's no actual way. It's easy one too. I'm actually gonna get the PB finally. Oh, crap. No, what did I do wrong? No, 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 no. I did something wrong. I miss. I did something wrong. There's no way. That was actually like beautiful. And I messed up. We're finishing it out though. Can't really do anything else but sigh in these kinds of situations. All right, so we definitely got some sort of parody. I don't know what I just did there. What am I doing? I totally forgot how to do this. What am I doing? There's like an algorithm you can do. I forgot what it was. Oh my God. Am I actually stupid? I might just be dumb. I'm gonna be honest. All right. After that abysmal thing. What's the wrong way? That was like the saddest solve of my life. I messed it up like 4 different times. All right, so around the end there, when I was like, "What am I supposed to do?" It was an algorithm that switches the yellow red and yellow orange and white red and white orange. It swaps those pieces around, and it's literally just like one slash negative one slash. Like that's all it does. But I forgot about the negative one part, so I kept like forgetting to do that. Like, what am I doing wrong? I was like doing this. That's not supposed to happen. Hold on. My pieces just fell out. That's not very good. Just putting that back in. Yes. All right, so we just keep on trucking, I guess. I don't know. That's not the right way. One, two, three, four, five. -2. Should be -1, -4, slash 30, slash -2, -3, slash -3, slash 5, -2, slash 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 0, slash -4, slash -1, -2, slash -3, -2, slash. All right, now we get to solve this cube, which is awesome. Forgot I'm not allowed to turn. No. All right, so I accomplished nothing with that turn. It's always an amazing feeling. All right, scallop, scallop, shield, shield, kite, kite, and we're in cube shape. Don't mess up this algorithm this time. That one's already solved. This one needs a little bit of work. It's ready. If I do this, then I can go. Now I just have parity to take care of. Oh, no. Messed up a little bit. No, 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 no. I messed something up. Crap. No way I messed up parity. I guess it was here. Oh, I realized what I've done. It's over. It's Jover. It's actually Jover, bro. Good. All you can really do is sigh. 'Cause messed up a great solve that had tons of potential. You can't even say. Probably shouldn't be singing copyrighted songs, especially not like super popular ones that people are gonna instantly recognize. All right, we're gonna try not to mess up the algorithm that I messed up last time for like 4 years. We're actually gonna do yeah this. Like really slow today for no good reason really. Like if you think about it, there's no good reason for me to be this slow. Boom, 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 boom. You can't even say this copyrighted song. Boom, boom, boom. I think I forgot to do one of my bottom perms. I skipped right into doing those bottoms. Of course, I gotta fix this. That was another really sad solve just because I messed it up so hard that I basically had to restart the entire thing. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0 slash 3, -3 slash 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, -4 slash 3, -3 slash -5, -2 slash 0 slash -3, -3 slash 0, -5 slash 4, 0 slash -2, -1 slash -4, 0. No slash. All right. So I know what to expect too. I probably should have though, considering whatever travesty is happening up here. Here we go. No. Oh, no way. Okay, that's easy cube shape. So now I actually have to try hard now. All right, we got this thing. that we're gonna do it like this. Not think this through. Um, is this just gonna be? I think this is just like this. It's not gonna be a new PB, unfortunately, but it is at least a successful solve for once. Let's go. 1 minute 45. It's pretty okay in my book, considering my average is sitting around 2 minutes. Actually, it's all right. 3 minutes 45 right. All right, time to do the scramble again. Three, three slash -3, -3 slash 60 slash -20 slash 0, -3 slash -1, -2 slash 3, -4 slash for 50 slash 0, -2 slash. Okay, turn please. Oh, cool. Another one of these. At least that's the easy cube shape. All right, we're gonna go boom, 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 boom. Go. And we gotta do two of these. Oh, this is just getting better and better. Maybe I should learn new algorithms. God, so that this doesn't keep happening. Do I have to do the exact same thing on the other side? No. Let's go. All right, we got one of these. That's awesome. It's amazing, actually. Boom, 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 boom. Can we do the same thing on the other side? Yeah, sure, why not? We're gonna go boom, 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 boom. And we got one of these. Let's go. No parity. There we go. 1 minute 50. That is not terrible. Not terrible at all. It might be a little bit terrible, but we just gotta ignore that. 2 slash -4, 0 slash -3, 3, -1, -3, -4, 0, 0, -2, 4, 0, -2, 0. All right. Does that match? It does. I can't do that. It's the thing. No. Now can I do it? Nope. Alright. This might be stupid. I think. Easy cube shape. By easy, I mean it took forever, but at least it wasn't giving me a headache. Oh, just like this. We just have two of these. Forgot to. Two of these ones. One of these. And on the other side, we're good, so we can focus on this. Should we do another one? Yeah, sure, why not? For the win. We just got another easy clap. Go. Boom, boom. Can we get another? Maybe not now, but can we get another sub two? So annoying. I dropped the cube. We might not have gotten the sub two anyways, but it's still pretty annoying. It's not very fun. All right. Well, it's never that fun to miss out on something like that, but oh well. So 2 -1/-30/-2 -3 -4 -2 -3 -4 -3 -4 -5 -6. I kind of forgot to check to see if my scramble was accurate, but it looked like it was, so I'm just going to assume it was. The way I'm holding this thing, it feels so weird to me. All right, just going to hold this off to the side. Those ones are all good. This one needs some fixed. That's all good. Shove them all the. All right, looks like we got parity, but oh well. Crap. One of my stickers just fell off, so that's always fun. I'm gonna have to put that back on, I think. I don't know if you have to put this thing back on. 213. Looks like we got some chatters. Hi guys. I'm just solving some Square-1. Trying to get way better at it. There's competition coming up, and you have to be under a certain time. I think for the more recent one, it's actually 1 minute 15 seconds. So I'm just getting some practice at. Yeah, thanks for sticking around. 3 zeros, -3, 0, 0, -3, 4 slash 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, -3 slash. Yo, thanks. Oh crap, I forgot where I was. Yeah, that's after the slash, I think. So 1, 0 slash. Yeah. All right. 3, -2 slash -4, -4 slash -2, -3 slash -2, 0. Square-1, it's yeah, pretty fun once you learn it. It's a lot of numbers that you have to like memorize, especially like parity algorithm. Sucks to memorize, but uh, that's pretty easy cube shape coming up here. That's even easier. Wrong one. This work? No. Okay. My hands are shaking a little bit. Then I'm gonna this. This might be a really good time. My hands are shaking a little bit. So, and then of course you got parity because this thing hates fun. Almost did the wrong turn there. I might have actually just cried. Turn. Let's go. That's a new PB for me. 1 minute 23 seconds. Let's go. What type of cubes do I got? I mean, in terms of Square-1, it's just this one. This is usually Little Magic, but I have a ton of other cubes. I don't know if I can really show you because my camera. Yeah, I got a lot. I got a lot of Rubik's cubes. I got a. I got a couple of. Here's my one of my favorite ones. I just got it. I got a Gigaminx. I don't know if I'm gonna do a whole lot of turns on it. It got scrambled up yesterday, and I just haven't had the time to solve it. So yeah, that's about it. I got way too many Rubik's cubes actually. I've spent many paychecks on them. All right, let's get back to the grind, I guess. 3 slash. I messed up where I was. Right here. Okay. -2, -5 slash 0, -3 slash -1, -1 6 -2 -3 -3 again -1 -4 2 2 3 4 5 6 -2 0 -4. Yeah, I've got a Megaminx, a regular one. I'm not super fast at Megaminx. Maybe if I do another stream, I'll practice some Megaminx because I average around like 3 or 4 minutes, I think. So I definitely need to get faster at megabytes. Yeah. Uh, I think there. All right, back to solving, I guess. This solve feels pretty good too. See if maybe I can get two PBs in a row. Hopefully. All right. Please don't be a super hard pattern this time. Oh, we got parity again. I might get another PB here, so see if that happens. No PB, but that's still a pretty good time for me. And that's a new best average of 1 minute 50. So in a competition, these last five songs, to get a 150. I gotta take a look at my chat real quick. I gotta go, but I'll sub. See you. Hey, see you later. Thanks for subbing. Well, I haven't been posting a lot. I just decided to stream some cubing. So thanks for subbing. Takes a lot of time to get faster with the meetings. Yeah, it really does. I've I've pretty much averaged around 4 minutes for like a year with Megaminx because I just don't really practice it. I definitely should though. It's pretty fun to solve. Plus, when you solve it in front of people, they act like you're the smartest person ever. So it's definitely worth it. Slash -30 slash. I'll make sure I did that right. Yeah. 2 -330. I think that's 5. I might have messed something up. All right, I accidentally misscrambled, so I'm just gonna. I don't know where I'm supposed to fix this, so we're just gonna do random moves on it. That's good enough. So if this one isn't counted as superficial, I'll be fine. Especially if it's a bad solve, then I can just blame the scramble. I didn't do anything wrong. This is not us. Non-optimal. Alright. Uh, that would not get me an extra no. I had to wipe my nose. Four. Four again. Well, that's already done. That's convenient. Very nice. Right. We're gonna do one of these things. I move this here. Hopefully that doesn't mess anything else up. Oh, of course it messes things up. Uh, we're just gonna go and do this. I accidentally held the cube in the wrong spot, so it just made extra work for me. At least it's no parity though. 147. That's an okay time. I brought my average down 2 seconds. My best time with the 3x3 Rubik's Cube is 45 for that. That's pretty good. Sometimes I've been really out of practice with 3x3. I took about a year break with cubing, and I think the only cube I did worse with was 3x3. But here, should I bring up my averages? I think yeah. All of these like best times here. These are from way long ago. I've had to practice so much. Yeah, usually I average around a sub 50. So yeah, keep at it. 3x3 is like it's like the best event ever. No, I think if you asked anyone, they'd say that 3x3 is awesome. So yeah, keep at it, and eventually, I don't know, 3 second solves probably. All right, 3, 5, 3, -2, 4, -4, -1, and -3, 5, 5, -1, 6, -3, 6, -3 again, 2, 0, 2, 0, 2, -2. Looks good. This might be one of my last solves too, just because I've been streaming for about an hour, so I don't know what my previous longest live stream was, but it was definitely pretty long. I know it's maybe. I'm actually not sure. What? I hate doing this part. This is my least favorite part because it sucks. Uh, yeah, pull one of these. That. Nope, that's the exact same thing. This is certainly an interesting solve. I think I got it though. There we go. Now we're on to the part of cube shape that I actually know how to do. Please be easy. That's easier than the other one. For this one, looks like we gotta do it twice. And then we're back here, which is not super nice, but whatever. We're just gonna. So this kind of thing doesn't happen every single time you do it, so it's always annoying when you get something you don't really know how to solve. So you kind of have to use trial and error to get it. 2 minutes 48. That's not awesome. This might be my that might be my last time. We actually got to thank you. I actually just learned last Sunday, so I think if I scroll down here, I'll enlarge this to make it bigger just so you guys can see. But my fastest time before really learning how to solve the square one was 19 minutes 38 seconds here. So I think that I used like a guide that I found and was just following along to it. So I think the fact that I can average much less than that without the guide, it's like growth, you know, I'm doing better. So yeah. Here. I think here. What should I do? You know what? I was complaining about Megaminx earlier. Let's just do a Megaminx solve because I'm bored like that. All right, and then I hate how long it takes to scramble Megaminx using that thing, so I'm gonna hand scramble, just because it's faster. I might have to move down my hand. I'm also gonna move. I think I just said this one down. I'm gonna move this down because when I solve Megaminx, I like to keep it mostly on the table. All right, so let's see how bad this is gonna be. There's the purple. You have to have like expert look ahead to be able to do good on this thing. What did I just do? Whatever. It works for me. Purple. I don't have that piece. Crap. I gotta get way better. Where'd that one piece go? Crap. I'm just gonna move on. Do something else. Red, blue. We got purple. Yeah. I'm trying to find pieces. I think that's F2L done, so we're just gonna start working on this thing. At this point, I'm literally working on like random pieces. Like if I see a piece, I'm just gonna work on it because I find it hard enough to do look ahead as is. Uh, Blue, green. There's the yellow piece. Here's one. Ah, moved to my microphone. Let's see what we got. So I think that's all the edges in. So now we gotta. We have yellow orange somewhere. It was not yellow orange from that. That was so convenient. I don't know if you guys noticed that, but I was trying to take out some random piece and ended up putting in an F2L pair on accident. So that was just lucky. Wait, why am I doing that? Oh, what did I just do there? I almost messed something up, but we're gonna. It's a lot of guess and check here. Yo, I don't know if anyone's wondering this, but I use like beginner's method. Like I learned how to solve Megaminx a long time ago. I'm using the exact same method ever since. But there you go. That is the Megaminx solved. I think that's gonna be my last solve today. Got a lot of messages in chat since it takes 2 minutes to scramble. Yeah, it's like it's so confusing. Every single time I've tried scrambling it, I've ended up like messing something up because D moves suck like that, I guess. Yeah. The scramble, it's like so long. I just prefer to hand scramble it all the time. Low use speed. Yo. Can I try to scramble a 21 by 21? Uh, if you want to give me a 21 by 21, I'll definitely scramble it. Anyways, yeah, I think that's gonna be it for today. Thanks everyone who joined or chatted. I saw a lot of people in here. Yeah. All right. I'm going to press the stop stream button. See y'all later. Goodbye.